Yo, what is going on? Good morning, this is Andrew, known as Zero Jaw Drew, Pip Catch Administration. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel. It'll keep us motivated, put this content out every day. So let's get into it, right? GBPUSD, this is all we trade, to be honest with you. On the daily chart, what happened on Friday, we sold off. We came to that support level at 1.34100 overnight. As you can see on the hourly chart, we did drop to that support level, the 1.34, I guess 240. If you zoom out, we are reading this crown-like pattern, so there is downside, possible. But one thing that I do notice that on the 15-minute chart, we've been pretty choppy all day, right? But one thing that I do notice is we have this inverted crown, right? And we rejected this 500 resistance 3 times, which indicates that we're going to push through, right? One thing that I do notice is that all buyer liquidity is at this retest of this neckline right here. So if I am looking for short opportunities, it would probably be a bull trap above here or that double top resistance, that U resistance like area. So I don't think that the sell-off is going to happen today. So what I want for today is I want for bears to be exhausted on a 5-minute chart. That way we could trade towards that buyer liquidity level up to here. So if price comes back into this value right now, I'm going to be looking to take that buy opportunity up to that 630 resistance, because as you can see right here, we took out that trend line, so all seller liquidity is pretty much grabbed, but there is a possibility that we drop to this level. But if we take out this level right now, we're going to take that buy and we're going to hold it up to that 630 level, because overall that's where our target is for the day. So we're waiting for bears to be trapped to trade towards there. Let's go. We'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, we're smashing this fucking buy right now. We're holding it to 630. Let's go. We'll be back. Alright guys, we're securing this bag right now. Quick ass day. We finished before 9. Make sure you like this shit. Subscribe to the channel. I'm ending the day early. It's Thanksgiving fucking week. So we're just gonna take 10, 20 pips every day and just wrap it up. But this is how it's done, bro. I mean, I could see more upside if we see bears get trapped into here. Then we'll maybe enter again, but we gotta be careful because of this chop. So like I said, I do think we're gonna push higher, so we'll be back. But if you don't hear from me, make sure you like this shit, subscribe to the channel, and keep us motivated to put this shit out. Other than that, we'll see you tomorrow. Let's go. Alright guys, we sold off fucking hard in the beginning of the morning. When bears come down to here, we're going to take another buy and we're going to hold it up to here till buyer's liquidity is caught. So we want to see something like this. I want to see it come down up to there. Probably in 1 minute we're going to enter that buy. Let's go. Alright guys, this is a bull trap. So when we get a drop back into value, we're going to take the short back down. Let's go. Alright guys, we're taking this short now. We're going to hold this shit all the way fucking back down. Let's go. Alright guys, we're securing this bag now. We're going to call it a day now. We found support here. I'm walking off. This is it. We're going to go box. Let's get it.